Quick reminder, friends, before we get into this video, this is your season. This is your season of elevation. This is your season of victory. And this is your season of rewards. Because you know you've been through some things here lately that almost took you out. But here's the thing, y'all. Trials and tribulation does not reduce faith. It exposes it, and you pass the test. So get ready, y'all, because God is building a table for you right now in this moment. Congratulations in advance.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
Good morning, family and frenzies. Let's be intentional today and start off our morning on a beautiful and blessed note. It is time for our morning coffee, y'all. And today we are making my Almond Joy inspired coconut flavored coffee. This is the coffee that we're using today, our coconut caramel crunch. This is my cabinet where I keep my coffee and my baking goods. So right now we are actually going to prepare to put my coffee into the Keurig, and we are going to start with a spoon. You need that. You got to stir up those ingredients really good, y'all. So make sure you take notes and make sure you write down this recipe and let me know how you like this Almond Joy inspired coffee. So right now I am just preparing my Keurig. I'm actually getting my coffee pot ready. So you can use any type of coffee you like, guys. You don't have to use the coconut caramel flavored coffee. You can use regular instant coffee or your regular Dunkin' Donuts. I'm using this. This coffee smells so good right out of the bag, y'all. As soon as you open the bag, you can smell this coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. It just makes me feel so warm inside. So right now I'm preparing to steep about 10 ounces. And I am going to let that go for just a few minutes. And we're going to let that run and wait for all of that coffee to steep. Now, this process can be a little slow. It depends on the type of Keurig you have. Mine is a little slow, so you got to have a little patience.
A few moments later.
Okay, our coffee is ready, y'all. So now it is time to put in all of your ingredients. We're going to start off with the almond extract, the Hershey syrup, and our coconut cream coffee mate. So you're going to start off with the almond extract. Guys, all you need is about a half a teaspoon of this. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. You don't want to overwhelm the flavor of your coffee either. So I put just a half a teaspoon into my cup of coffee. Make sure you stir it up really, really good to blend in all those flavors. As you can see, we are not using any type of sugar today, y'all. You have enough sugar in your Hershey syrup, which we are about to use, and you have enough sugar inside your coconut cream creamer. So you're going to use 1 teaspoon of your Hershey syrup. Now it's totally up to you how much chocolate flavor you want in your coffee. I only use 1 teaspoon, but you can use 2. It's totally up to you. So make sure when you put in your Hershey syrup, make sure you stir it up very, very well. Make sure all of that syrup is off of the teaspoon. As you can see, I'm just dipping it in and out of my coffee, just trying to get all of that chocolate off with the spoon to make sure everything is blended very well. This is where your sweetener is coming from. And again, you don't need any sugar inside this recipe. Now, totally up to you, of course, but you don't need that much sugar, y'all. I'm telling you, it's enough sugar inside the chocolate syrup and it's enough sugar in the creamer. And now it's time to add your coconut creamer. The amount of creamer you use is going to depend on how light or dark you like your coffee. Now, I like mine a bit on the lighter side, just not too light, not too dark. So I'm going to add just enough for me, and that's it. That's good enough for me, y'all. And I'm going to stir this up very well. Now just keep in mind, there's no right or wrong way to try this recipe. It's going to depend on your taste buds and what you like. There you have it, guys, your Almond Joy inspired coffee. Take care, be blessed, and stay safe, guys. Bye.
Why you